the kind of gray skin that it acquires when it's weathered, and then the true color of the cypress. Now we'll apply a little whitewash, see how that looks. Cypress is a cool wood. It grows all over central Texas on the rivers and streams. It's kind of cool to use it. I've actually never worked with cypress before, so. That's the second coat. So there, raw cedar, cypress. I keep calling it cedar, cypress. And then that's 2 coats. 0, 2. I think I'm gonna go ahead and do 3 coats, but I'm just gonna do 3 coats on 2 of the faces. That way I'll have a 0, a 2, and then 3, and then maybe I'll do a 4th coat on 1 of the faces, and then I'll have a full kind of sample. Here's 0. Here's 2. 0, 3. Just kind of cleaning up that inner wall. It's a cool contrast, right? The kind of like tan blonde with the bleach white. Just looks cool to me, especially out in the desert. It reminds me of an old bone, an old bleached bone. I don't know. I just like the look. I didn't get it from someone or somewhere. I just kind of, when I was thinking about this structure, I just kind of gravitated. I was like, immediately, I was like, that's going to have to be whitewashed somehow. It needs to look like an old bone. Make sure to chop straight down. Just pointing out that I'm trying to actually make this like a little bit of a dish, not just straight, but actually down and then kind of up. So maybe a bowl, or like a bowl. See how there's a curve? It's not just straight. It's like in and then kind of curving out. Okay. Then as you can see here, it also looks really cool natural. I'm not gonna lie, it does. Looks cool like that too. 0 coats of stain, 2 coats, 3 coats, 4 coats. I did do 4 even though I said I wasn't. So